If this is really okay, the plan is practical, ano ang mga cons, ano ang mga pros,
Get our parents here. Gusto namin na may basement din.
kailangan namin ng magkaibang kwarto. That's right, we're going to walk to your school. Good morning, fam, and welcome back to our channel. Kasama ko ngayon si Lianica kasi sobrang nagmadali na kami sa paghatid kay Kuya David. Na late kami because there is some struggle around the roads. Kasi nga, nakikita nyo naman, we are back in winter. Iba talaga dito sa Alberta. Iba talaga. Masasabi ko ng iba. Start na ng spring supposedly. Pero ngayon, we're back to winter time. Nagsusnow. Malakas. Para lang kaming nasa winter pa din. And fam, nandito na kami ni Lianica sa kanyang school. Look at that. Are you excited, Lian, to go to your new school? Yes, okay. Ooh, hindi masyadong malamig. It's just minus 5 degrees. So, see you later. There you go, fam. So, ayan, nahatid na natin si Lianica. And ang sasakyan na lang natin ang nag-iisa doon. Careful lang tayo kasi pag ganito kasi from dry tapos biglang snow, madulas talaga siya kasi syempre mabilis mag black ice. Oops! Yun, tik na ako dun ah. So, mahirap talaga. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. Ayun, so good news. Yung feedback ng teachers ni Lian sa kanya yesterday, kasi first day niya, para daw hindi niya first day sa bagong daycare. So, nakapag-adjust agad siya. Parang wala lang daw sa anak ko. Laro-laro daw agad. And that's very promising. Kasi usually, 'di ba, yung mga kids pag nililipat mo ng environment, nagre-react talaga sila. Nahirapan sila at first. Kasi syempre wala silang mga kaibigan, di familiar yung mga muka. Pati yung mga faces din ng mga classmates nila, hindi familiar. Syempre nawalan sila ng best friend dun sa last school nila or daycare. So mahirap. Pero ito daw, very good yung transition, sabi ng teacher niya. Parang wala lang. Ngayon nga, hindi ako nag-worry kasi usually pag iniwan mo sila first week or second week, iyak pa yan sila ng iyak eh. Pero ngayon, parang wala lang daw sa Lianica ko. So okay fam, drive lang tayo and I'll catch you later. And there you go. Maulan na, umaulan. Sorry, snowy pala na umaga sa ating lahat again. Mag-try daw ako magbisaya be, kaya medyo na-miss na po na ako ba. So, kanong adlaw, perti ang snow na pod. So, wala na gyud. Lahi gyud ning Calgary gyud. Di gyud siya ma-predict. Kay ang uban, spring na technically eh. Dapat yun medyo init-init na. So naka-experience may gamay og sunshine mga 2 days siguro. Karon balik na po ng snow. Wala. Pero tigyod. Siguro nasa murag mga 4 inches of snow na ni siya. 4 to 5 inches kay kagabi pa ni eh. So again, cha-translate ko lang. Dapat talaga spring na ngayon and hindi talaga na-predict yung weather dito sa Calgary. So supposedly dapat medyo mainit na, although naka-experience kami ng sunshine or ng init ng mga 2 araw. Pero ngayon, we're really back. And it's around 4 inches na to of snow. Tuloy-tuloy pa. Since kagabi pa to eh. Di ko lang ginising sina David and Lianica kasi sanay na naman sila ng snow. Naalala ko nga pala nung nasa Vancouver kami. Hindi naman talaga masyadong nagsusnow doon. So pag nag-snow, sobrang tuwan-tuwa talaga yung mga tao. But at the same time, since hindi prepared yung mga tao sa snow, and syempre for newcomers and all, hindi pa natin alam kung paano siya i-handle correctly. So yung iba hindi naka-winter tires or most of them hindi naka-winter tires kasi hindi mo nga ine-expect yung snow. Pag biglang nag-snow sa Vancouver rather, madalas talaga yung disgrasya. May mga kotse na nasa ditch and all. So again, coffee lang tayo, coffee lang. And then in a while, back to work. Excited na tayo every day and syempre kasama na din ang countdown natin. Okay, so see you fam later. Dadating na rin yan si Mommy maya. See ya. Lakad na tayo. Kaya lang sobrang dahan-dahan. And si Mommy lang daw ang magdadala ng sasakyan. So, lakad lang tayo. Laging excited kasi nandyan na naman si Kuya Davan kasama namin. Oh, lamig fam. So, off ko muna to and doon na lang ako magva-vlog. Continue yung vlog kasi madulas din ang daan. Baka ma-disgrasya tayo. Baka matumba tayo. So, see you later. Dito na ako dadaan pala sa walkway. And ang galing talaga nitong walkway kasi lagi talaga itong nalilinis ng snow. Okay, so see you later.
Sorry,
So
maybe it's
nasundo na
Jace.
kami ni Mommy.
So maybe it's Jace.
Yeah, nag-uusap lang kami kung sino yung mga kaklase niyang nakikita. Ayan si Kuya, oh. Hi Kuya, you say hi to the pocket.
Hi, DJ, hi, Pocket 2.
Okay. Kompleto talaga yung pangalan. Ayan, so malapit na kami. Andito na agad, oh. Actually nga, pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, naglakad lang din ako. So, dito na si Mommy. Ayan, ang aking magandang asawa. Oh, di ba? Pro na pro yan mag-drive sa snow.
We're here at home now with my Kuya Davan. Kuya Davan, what are you doing? Kuya? Kuya?
Nothing.
Nothing. And
Die.
and we're going to prepare our lunch today. Before kami magnap ni Davon, kakain muna kami. Kasi usually, nagnanap na ako pagkahatid kay Davon sa daycare. Pero ngayon, dahil nandito siya, we're going to eat first. What are we going to cook, Kuya? What? No, not that one, baby. Para sa soup yung gagawin natin. Hindi yan. And we're doing an air fry of inasal. Here. Let's see. Ooh, wow. No, baby. It's okay. We're good. We're good, honey.
Ayan, so nasa taas ulit tayo and welcome back to our Sofa Serie.
Yes.
Where we discuss anything under the sun. And what's under the sun ngayon ay alam niyo naman, nagtitingin-tingin kami ng bahay.
Yeah.
And so far, ang natingnan na namin ay duplex,
Duplex. Yeah.
laned houses, and also a couple of detached houses. So
Yeah.
mixture. Brand new detached house, and then I think the most recent is yung second hand na house, which is yung malapit dito sa amin. Alright, so why are we doing this? It's because the Alba Fambam are thinking of moving to a bigger house.
Like mag-upgrade kami.
Mag-upgrade. That, of course,
Yeah.
dapat pasok sa budget, practical, convenient, and we're going to lay out a couple of things, maybe 3 or 4
Yeah.
reasons why we are thinking of upgrading, and it's very exciting for us.
It's true.
Yep.
Lalo sa akin.
Yeah, so napag-isipan talaga namin to ng mabuti. I think we also have the support of our families.
Yeah.
But, then again, kailangan pang i-consult to with a mortgage broker. may kinokontak si Donna
Yeah.
na a mortgage broker na friend. So, magko-consult kami sa kanya. If this is really okay, the plan is practical, do we think that we should right now, ano ang mga cons, diba? Yun
Yeah.
naman lagi, ano ang mga cons, ano ang mga pros. So, we'll lay out a few items here that we would consider and the reasons pala kung bakit kami gustong mag-move.
Number 1, syempre gusto namin na pumunta na dito ang mga grandparents din. Kasi, di ba, as you guys know, or kung napanood nyo din yung vlog namin sa ibang videos na we're really trying to get our parents here para makasama sila and makasama din nila yung mga grandkids nila dito.
Yeah.
So, syempre, pag nandito na sila at nakuha na namin sila, we need a bigger space, di ba? Hindi kami crowded. Ngayon dito sa townhouse namin is 2 room nga lang. So, medyo masikip tayo.
Although yung mga kids naman natutulog sa amin.
Yeah.
Pero syempre long term, kung dito na talaga magsistay yung mga grandparents, mami daddy ko, mami
Or
ni
si
or
mama.
mami ni Donna.
Yeah.
So at least naka-advance planning na tayo. Na-anticipate na natin.
So, that's one of the consideration na meron kami.
So second point, number 2, reason number 2. Dalawa yung kids namin, si Davon and si Lian.
Girl,
Another thing is
Girl
girl and
and
boy.
Hello.
So kung dalawang boys siguro sila, pwede pang mag-isang kwarto sila. But then since girl and boy sila, kailangan namin ng magkaibang kwarto.
yeah.
For them, of course, their privacy. Syempre pag magbibinata, di ba?
At magdadalaga.
At magdadalaga. Kailangan talaga nila ng
Separate
sariling
room.
kwarto.
Yeah.
So that is why, syempre, advance planning lang
Yeah.
namin, yun yung mga kino-consider namin. That is reason number 2.
2.
Reason number 3 ay si Davon and si Lianica, lahat ng friends namin, or so far lahat ng friends
Most,
namin,
yeah.
most ng friends namin ay may mga basement. And alam nyo kung ano yung na-discover nila. Doon pala sa mga basement na yun, nandun ang mga toys and playground. That is why they always tell us, Daddy, we want the basement.
Yeah.
They have a lot of toys. Pati si Lianica din,
Yeah.
dun yung mga toys, may ano ba sila? Mga nakikita nila, alam niyo yung mga toy castle? Or mga toy big Barbie house? Parang they're assuming na
Playground?
playground ng
Yeah.
basement. That's why they
Tsaka parang may sarili din silang space.
correct.
So, alam mo yon, para hindi na kami mag-iisip na saan sila pupunta. They will just go to the basement
Yeah.
para maglaro.
Tapos safe, no?
Safe
Tapos
sila.
karinig mo sila sa baba. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
And fourth point, kung bakit namin kino-consider na ibenta ang current townhouse namin.
So, naghahanap kami syempre ng mapaglalaroan din nila outdoor. So, we're considering to look for a house na merong backyard syempre. Meron silang parang mini playground for the kids. Yung slide, yung swing.
May akyatan pa yung playground nila.
So, nung nakita ko yun,
ganda talaga.
sobrang sabi namin, okay to kasi syempre yung kids mahilig din sa outdoor.
Yeah.
So, pwede mo din silang iwan doon. I mean, not
Yeah.
literally iwan, pero they can play and you can just
And then
sit
titingnan mo lang
down
sila
and look.
from the sala.
Yeah, correct.
Perfect perfect.
Sobrang perfect. Kaya nga sabi namin kung ibebenta yung bahay nila, sis
Oo
Lai,
nga.
kami na ang bibili, di ba?
Yeah,
Kasi gusto
yeah.
namin yung setup ng house
That's
nila. Yeah.
That's right.
Yun.
Okay. So, let's go to our fifth and final point is ang walang humpay na pagtaas ng condo fee. Although isang beses pa lang kaming naka-increase and it's just $4-5. Pero non-stop kasi yan, tuloy-tuloy ang increase. Now, with the last vlog, umattend ako ng annual general meeting.
Yeah.
More or less, ang condo fee talaga ang nagda-drive sa kanya to go up is the insurance, as well as other factors like, for example, yung contract nyo sa garbage disposal, improvements on the common property and
Yeah.
all, which is you don't have
Control.
control or
Yeah.
autonomy. Unlike pag detached house, you could bargain yourself kung ano ang gusto mong insurance, you could shop around kung sino ang mas
Yeah.
mura, and other benefits such as you could make a decision of your own. Gusto mo bang ipaayos yung roof mo? Gusto mo bang ipaayos yung sidings mo? And all that. So may autonomy ka. Kasi detached house siya, ikaw ang bahala kung
Yeah.
ano ang gusto
Controlled,
mong gawin.
as in controlled
so,
mo talaga
super
siya.
controlled mo talaga. And we're gonna be looking forward on our meeting tomorrow dun sa friend ni Donna na mortgage broker. And then let's check. It's one way of us learning na din kung ano yung current situation ng market dito sa Calgary. And of course, some bad and good points para i-consider namin
Yeah.
kung ano yung masishare niya sa amin na inputs. So excited kami whether or not it's okay, ipupush namin,
Ipupush ba,
or
or-
kung hindi namin ipupush, okay naman yung bahay namin.
Yeah.
Maganda naman yung bahay namin. Pero
Totally.
syempre, you always want to improve yourself, give the best to your children, and it's part of our advanced planning na din.
Yeah, that's
So,
right.
get ready for tomorrow and kung ano yung mangyayari. So, see you tomorrow, fam, and don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
and also follow and like our Facebook page.
Yeah.
Same handle name, Alba Fambam.
Yeah.
Okay, so see you tomorrow and God bless everyone. Mabuhay kayo, maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa inyo dira sa Pilipinas. That's
At
it.
kahit saan lugar ng
Okay, at
mundo.
kahit saan.
And thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching
again.
and hang loose.